everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about the Mega Hand, biomimicry. We will talk about biomimicry in the next slide, but did you know that engineers use biomimicry to design smarter machines like this Mega Hand that I have here?
Oh, biomimicry. I'm so excited to learn about it.
Yeah, it's really fun to learn about. When I learned it, it was pretty fun. So, before we get started, I have my new bubble machine that I built.
It's your next project?
Yes, this is our next project. And it shoots out bubbles. So here's the solution. And then it goes in this tray. So let's start it and see what happens.
Yeah. Just give you a demo.
Yeah.
Whoa! It looks like octopus. Ooh, octopus.
Whoa, it goes everywhere. That's why I have a napkin here. So what is biomimicry? So bio, if you guys don't know, it means life. And mimicry means copying, just like this Mega Hand. So I'm just going to put my hand in it.
Wow, that looks cool.
It is fun to play with. And when I built it, it was really fun. Because I could have done my left hand, but I want to do my right hand. So remember how mimicry means copying? So if I bend my finger, like my all fingers, then it goes down, right? And then I can make, so I'm going to show the signals, and then you guys are going to guess what it is.
Thumbs up.
Yes.
2.
Peace sign. This one's going to be a number.
High five. 3.
Yep.
High five.
Fist bump.
Fist
I
bump.
told you that one because it could have been punching.
So how is that biomimicry?
So biomimicry means, so remember how mimicry means copying. So remember that. So bio means, like, we'll talk about in the next slide, about nature and copying. So that's technically what's going to be in the next slide.
So it says copying nature to design cool machines. So how this Mega Hand copying nature?
You'll see.
Okay.
On the next 2 slides, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, engineers use biomimicry to design smarter machines like it was on the front.
And I see in that picture there is a real hand and the Mega Hand.
Yeah. So welcome to the builder. So in this box we have...
So those are the tools you use to make that Mega Hand?
Yeah, here it is. And then in this box we have all the finger segments. It's like how they move. So how they move. So we have our first part, second
fingertips,
part, and third part. Our fingertips are over here.
Finger middle, finger bottom,
finger bottom.
thumb.
That sounds weird. The thumb tip right here.
Yeah, so those are the kits.
And then the short links are up here. Long links here. Finger mount is in between here. And then thumb adjusters right here. And then here are all the things that you can read yourself. So
that's what you get.
Yep, that's what you get in this crate. So let's go on to the next slide. So 3 parts of building. Part A, build the base. Part B, assemble the fingers. Part C, add the thumb.
Oh, so you did it in the 3 parts.
Okay, but here's one thing that I just noticed. Why are you guys so fast at building? You got this in like 1 second. How did it even help you? And then you already got the fingers in another second. That took me like an hour to make the whole thing. How did you make the thumb in another second? That took me an hour. How come you guys are so fast?
It's a computer.
But you guys took it in 3 steps. Not fair.
Well, that's why machines can go fast.
So sides behind the Mega Hand. In the Mega Hand, the finger segments, but
what are the finger segments?
So the finger segments are, you see whenever you look at your hand and then you see these lines,
Yeah.
those are where your segments are. So like as you can see, I bend it. It bends exactly where that line is.
Oh,
now you
yeah.
can't see. Now you can see.
So there is a science behind that.
Yeah, and then in your mega hand, if you have one, these are your
Segments.
segments. I forgot what they're called for a second.
Mhm.
So here's another segment, and here's the last segment. Here, here, and
Yeah.
there.
So how this segment work?
Finger segments are technically levers, so they move like a lever. Beep,
Oh,
beep, beep.
levers are a machine.
Yeah, if you guys don't know what a lever is, here, I'll draw it for you.
It's there.
Yeah, I know. So here is one. This is how I draw levers, and it's how the computer draws levers. But anyway, this is how I make mine. There's only like this block to make it stand, okay? That starts going down and up. Then you have your giant weight here. Like, you know those ones? It looks like a purse, but I know.
Rock.
It's like those
Two
things
rocks.
where you hold. I have no idea what it's called. Then here is a giant ball, but it's inflated.
Mhm.
So that's what I picture in my brain. What a lever it is.
Mhm. So lever
And
and
then
opposite.
the joints are fulcrums, pivot points. Pivot points are like the points on your fingers.
Oh.
And then the string tension is the tendon. So your tendon, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Tendons.
Right here,
Mhm.
it's like when you cut something that's like, and then you see like those white things and they're hard to cut.
We'll see
Never
the
mind.
next.
It's too complicated to say. So tension and pull. Strings as tendons.
Tendons.
In your body,
Yes.
muscles pull the tendons.
Uh-huh.
Here's a picture of muscles pull on the tendon.
Mhm.
Your tendons pull onto your bones. Your
And
finger moves.
3 parts, right?
Isn't that
ABC.
cool?
It is.
Okay, in the mega hand, you pull the string, I pull the string.
Yeah.
Then what? I pull the
Bending.
string. Then the string pulls on the finger, and then the finger segments, and then the finger bends.
Wow. What's the science behind that? Hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on now. Hard to get in.
Yeah.
Get in.
Wow,
There's
it's
thumb.
cool. This hand is so gigantic.
It's called a mega hand. That's why it's gigantic.
Mhm.
So, okay, there. So I move it.
1, 2
two,
finger, 3
three,
finger, 4
four,
finger, 5
five.
fingers. What sound does it make?
And then you can do this. And then you can grab something. I almost saved it, but I did not. Let's make it stand.
That's okay. Keep practicing.
Stand.
That's okay. It's look a fist.
By the way, guys, this book is really heavy. Maybe that's why.
Oh my goodness.
So cool.
Mega hand. Come on, you can do it.
I totally didn't pick it up and put it in the mega hand, okay, guys? So you pull on the string. The strings pull on the finger segment. And then the finger bends. Once again, I said that.
Okay, good.
So, linkages.
Linkages?
Yes, linkage.
Linkages.
Okay, coordination of parts.
Mhm.
In the mega hand, it uses linkages. That sounds weird to me, but anyway, they connect the moving parts to transfer motion from handle to the finger. So these are your linkages. Like you see these extra little bits, like that are sticking out. Well, that's not in your real hand. They're sticking out.
Yeah.
Those are your linkages, I'm pretty sure. The mimics how this mimics how bones and joints work together in your hand to perform tasks like gripping. That was awkward.
Yeah, so that mega hand is mimicking our human hand.
Yes. It's gonna
By
turn on.
so what is bone there?
So your bones is, I think I misplaced the linkages and the bones. These are actually your bones.
Can you show your finger in your bones? The human hands and the mimic
Well,
hand?
I can't open up my hand and then show it, but I can show you where it is.
Yeah.
So you see right here?
Yes. So that's your bones.
That is inside, deep inside is your bone.
And so where is the bone for this mega hand?
Here.
Good.
You see those like extra parts?
Yeah. That's the
Those
bone.
are your bones.
And how about the joints?
The joints.
And where is your
Here.
joint?
My joints are on those lines.
Okay. So that's how it's mimicking.
Yeah, but for some reason, this does not look like the same hand. It looks way different. Not because it's the right hand.
You move to the next slide.
How did it do it? It's
Your mega
literally
hand did it.
plastic. It's plastic. How did it do that?
And then you saw how it's gripping, right?
Yeah, so it can grip onto things. I totally didn't pick up Steven. Sorry, Steven. I totally didn't pick up Steven and then put it in the mega hand. Why are you thinking that? Why are you always thinking that? Like, come on.
Okay, good.
It's okay, Steven. He just squeaked. Okay, let's go on to the next slide. Let me try using this hand again. It worked! Okay, biomimicry, learning from nature. So here's where the slide where you're learning biomimicry from nature.
That looks interesting. So you mean to say that it's come from nature?
Yeah.
What?
So actually, Velcro, you guys know what Velcro is, I'm pretty sure. It's the hooks and the loops. And then here I have Velcro. I have two sets of Velcro.
Yeah, and
actually.
I also saw in the shoes.
Yeah, some shoes have like those Velcro straps to tighten up the shoe. So like as you can see, there's hooks and there's loops. So they stick on together because those hooks loop onto the loops. They loop onto the loops and then they get attached. So if you didn't know, there's this one thing called burrs in the nature, by the way, in the nature, okay? So here's the burrs.
Oh, it looks pokey.
Well, it's not pokey because
It is
those
pokey.
little things that look like they're pokey, like on the cactus, are actually not pokey thingamajigs.
Okay.
They are the hooks and the loops.
I see.
Actually, no, these ones are the things on the burrs are hooks. So like, for example, I have my cloth here, and then I got a burr, and then I put it on my shirt, just like I didn't even like hook it on. I just put it on like that, and it just stuck. It stuck. You may have to cut your shirt if you want it to get out. If you put in your hair, you're gonna have to cut your hair to get it out. So be careful in the wild, kids. You may find those.
Did you see that the birds are in your real life?
No,
But
on TV shows.
But I saw that.
Okay,
It
anyway,
looks like that green thingy.
green.
Yeah.
Anyway, Velcro inspired by burrs. One day, an engineer named George D. Mestral went for a walk with his dog. He noticed these tiny burrs. Tiny.
Yeah,
Tiny.
the green thingy.
Green thingy.
On
were
the
stuck
dog.
to his dog's fur since he was walking his dog. Were stuck to his dog's fur. So there. And
How
then you
come
look
my
up
dog
close.
got that bird?
Well, he was just going on the walk. Maybe there weren't sidewalks there at that time. And then he's like, what? I just walked into the bush and then came out and then my dog. Whatever. That's probably how he was like. And then he got stuck.
No.
The birds, a lot of birds got stuck to the dog's fur, but not 4 of them.
But you know, Lina, that birds makes that Velcro.
Yeah. So the birds are the hooks, and then your dog's fur, like Steven's right here.
That's
doesn't have fur.
interesting. That's genius.
Yeah, and then like he has fur. If I put a bird just sitting right there, it would just hook on. Anyway, let's go on to the next slide. So when he looked closely under a microscope, he saw these tiny hooks on the birds.
Wow.
They're extremely tiny.
Maybe he was curious. How come my dog got that burst?
Yeah, he's like, wait, he was just walking his dog. I forgot where the leash went, but he was just walking his dog. I have an invisible leash, and then we went to a bush and then got out, and then noticed my dog had burrs.
That shocked him.
And then he's like, why does my dog have burrs exactly?
And let's find it out.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take one of these burrs. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, 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 walk. Microscope. I think this is my microscope. Place the burrs.
Oh.
This is a microscope, okay?
And then he got an idea that
Oh, the tiny hooks on there. So that means it got stuck on my dog. A beautiful dog.
poor. It's so painful.
Yeah.
That burst.
Let's place this here. He pet his dog, and then that gave him idea to invent Velcro, which uses hooks and loops to stick to things to stick things together, just like the birds did to his dog.
That's why they said scientists think differently.
Yeah, just like how I take off the Velcro here, makes a loud sound. But anyway, and then I make it to secure on my wrist and my palm. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, palm.
Good. Wow,
year.
that's so much fun to learn about that.
Yeah.
Velcro.
I would have made up that if I was a scientist back in the day, before Velcro was invented.
Ding. Okay.
I got it.
Next.
Anyway, let's go on to the next time.
Ooh, that's
That
all.
was it. So thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play.
Wow,
But
it was
before
so
we
much
go,
fun.
I feel bad for that person's name. I forgot. George. I'm pretty sure George. His dog. I feel bad for his dog.
But from there, we got a Velcro. So say thank you.
Thank you, dog. Whoever
Okay.
George's dog is. I don't know the name. But George's dog is
was-
saying bye.
Thank you for
Bye,
teaching us so
bye.
much good stuff, Nina. Bye.
For now, bye.